and not come up with the big hit. There's one. Dexter with a man down will stop at third. When I say man down, Josh Hamilton fell down. I thought for a second, though, he was stopped initially. Richie Dower would send him. Bases still loaded, and the go-ahead run coming up in Carlos Gonzalez. Second career hit in 10 at-bats for Scutaro against Joe Nathan.
Yeah, now 1 for 9 for the Rockies with runners in scoring position. Hanging breaking pitch. Dexter Fowler's being stopped at third, but Josh Hamilton falls down. Richie Dower tried to start the motor again. I mean, he just went down. He caught his left foot in the turf, and that caused his momentum to fall forward.